Hello guys, this is Mayank Chawda with Team Micro here. Today we are going to demonstrate a lots of test fixture in front of you, and we will give you a very brief about the each and every test fixture. One test fixture is different and utility is different. So what is basic requirement of this test fixture? This test fixture is also different. Particular this is going to measure a current and give you the current output. Particular this test fixture is working on the LED output, so one can visually check LED is working or not as per the requirement. So I will also give you the example of the PCBA, what type of PCBA we have and how we are manufacturing the test fixture according to that PCBA. So this board test fixture is same. We got a order from same vendor, and this is a unique test fixture. Also, this is also two fixture. Utility is same. This test fixture is also different. You can see a slant slope here with the one stopwatch here, and this is also a different test fixture. And we are getting lots of test fixture orders from all India as well as out of India. Thank you guys for liking us, and thank you guys for liking our services and subscribing our channels. And we are getting a lots of unique different type of test fixtures order from all around the world. So let me give you a brief about the micro. As you know, we have in-house workshop also for the test fixture manufacturing purpose, and we are very much focused on the test fixture manufacturing systems right now. You can just give us a call for your requirement. If you have any PCBA or if you have any final product which need to test for different test conditions, and you want to analyze that test condition, particular this product is working as per your standards or not, so we can provide you a one system which can give you a pass and fail indication with the embedded system as well as the PLC and HMI integration also. And if you want a cloud-based service, we can also provide you that part, that your QA engineer is sitting here or technician is sitting here and you are getting data at your other side. That particular 500 PCB or product is testing, and this is the test conditions we have applied, and you can get the result of that test conditions. Yeah. So you can just give us a call. Micro engineer and application engineer team will get back to you with your with understanding of your requirements and give you best out of the best solution. One more thing, as always we say, we have in-house electrical, mechanical, electronics and software engineer team who are sitting on a single table and designing a test system for you, because different PCBA has different test condition. One needs to rise a voltage from 0 to 24 or 0 to 100. We can give you the 0 to 100 volt rising. One need to sense the frequency, duty cycle, impedance, different voltage, current, and we have solutions for that different type of requirements. So, yeah. So getting back to and start this video with this test fixture. So this is particular test fixture on which we are working right now, and this test fixture is completed. We have one PCB. You can see a very tiny PCB. It is small. It is coming on palm only. So it's a very tiny PCB, and we are making test fixture for this PCB. You can see a PCB are very small. So these are particular for the flashing as well as small FCT, where one needs to measure a current and give the current is as per the requirement or not. So this test fixture is for that purpose. We just need to place PCB here and just giving the output on the Pogo pins at the particular requirement points, and we can connect the multiplier meter here. Very precise particular ampere need to measure, so we are giving the external attachment where user can use their multimeter and see the output. This is the mechanical structure they need, and we provide only mechanical structure with the electrical integrations. So power supply as well as 3.3 volt output we are giving to the PCBA, and further analysis they are going to work on that. So if you want only mechanical structure, we can definitely provide you that. If you want whole system with the test condition applied on the fixture on the particular product, then we can set up the inside electrical and electronics works, and that we can also provide you. This big fixture is for this LED PCBA. So we are going to put this PCBA for two purposes. One is for the flashing. We are going to download the program from the fixture, because every time one needs to connect the connector and remove the connector for only the programming purpose. It is quite difficult. and it is very quite difficult when it goes into multiple with 5,000, 10,000 boards. So every time operator or engineer needs to insert the particular connector. So we'll give you the Pogo pin base, and that Pogo pins will connected with the external DB9 or DB15 connector. Externally, you can just connect with your PC and you will get an output. One more feature in the PCB, in particular test feature, is I will show you the working video of that. So you can see a lightning of the that test fixture, how exactly we are using. So these are 4 LEDs. So every time engineer needs to connect the connectors, apply the power supply, and then need to switch on the power supply, and they are seeing 4 LEDs are working or not, and one LED is backside. That LED is working or not, they need to check it out. So we manufactured one fixture where you just need to put the PCBA, you just clamp with the toggle clamp, and you can see the LED is working or not as per the requirement. So I will give you the brief introduction on that test fixture also. So here we are putting the particular PCBA like in this condition, and I will show you this by switching on that. So coming to the next test fixture, this is also the same. Here we have used one plate from where we will not get the LED lightning intensity directly to our eyes. So we are having one industrial frame which is protecting our eyes. In this fixture we didn't utilize because the LED intensity is very low. In this particular fixture, whatever PCBA is going to be test where light intensity is very high, so we are using this part. This is particular fixture is 10 cavity fixture. Yeah, this you can see a 10 cavity test fixture. So I will have the separate video of that also. You will see the brief on that separate video how particular test fixture is working. So at a time you can put 10 PCB, and you can see the result of 10 PCB by just switching on this switch, and you will test the multiple boards on a single time only. And this is also a test fixture for double cavity, but for the different PCBA. You can see 2 different PCB here, and it is used in a single fixture. So if you just want the output on the connectors, or you have some specific requirements, we can integrate your 2 PCB. So this PCB is internally connected with the another PCB, and also the Pogo pin structure is connected with the connectors which is going to be available here. So one can use it externally also, and will have the connection as per the requirement. So you no need to connect, or you no need any wiring or any harness for this purpose. So this is also unique feasibility of this fixture. So yeah, we can provide you a test fixture as per your requirement. Whatever is your requirement, just give us a call. We'll give you a best out of the best solution. And we are we are in Gujarat based, Vadodara, and we are getting order from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, and all over India. So there is no need of any physical availability or any nearby availability. You can just give us a call. We'll have some conversation on mail or on call, and we'll give you the solution of that. Also, we'll provide you the Pogo pins extra if required. Yeah, particular life of Pogo pins is 50,000 plus cycle. You can operate this toggle clamp and particular fixture in 50,000. Most of the fixtures which we have provided in industries is already utilized more than 50,000. So it's already tested device and already tested structure where there will not be any alignment issue. We are using even in a small fixture. You can see a 4 guide here, 4 guide and 8 industrial linear bearings. So there won't be any alignment issue because this is a very small PCB. You can see a very small PCB. A micron distance will affect the particular Pogo pin structure and Pogo pin connectivity. So there won't be any issue because of this smooth operation as well as very clear operation. So that's why we are getting lots of orders from the industries and lots of orders from all over India. So yeah, let me come to this test fixture so you can see a lightning how exactly the particular fixture is working. So this is a UT switch here. Let me show you inside the fixture also. Yeah, you can just see there is one power supply and two different card which we got from the customer, and we do the integration part as per the conversation with the customer, so they can use this fixture for two different purpose. One is flashing and second is a FCT for the lightning. So one need to just flash the PCB. This is a PCB. You can see this is a PCB. I'm just easily placing this PCB here. This is a isolated material, bakelite material we have utilized. This is a UT switch. That means unit under test switch. So this is the unit which is under test. So when we are pressing this and we are switching this, you can see a lightning. So visually, one can easily calibrate that or confirm that all lights is working as per the requirement, and the system or the PCBA is perfect and it is passed in QC. So another, if I want to place another PCB, you can see a working of that. This is a two cavity fixer. So operator at a time, operator can change two PCB. Suppose this is two PCB we have, operator can change two PCB. This is the front side of the PCB, but I am just putting it here. We have CNC or grooving here, so you cannot place PCB in either direction. It is mechanically interlocked. So we have very great designer team who is sitting for the designing purpose, where any layman or any technician cannot place PCB in either direction also. That fixture will not work. Yes, this is what we are interlocking with the, we are getting interlocking with all the PCB. So just pressing this and you can see the lighting of this particular lights. So yeah, guys, this type of test fixture we are manufacturing for all of your needs, and lots of other videos are going to come for the other types of fixtures also. Please like and subscribe our channel, so we are getting lots of motivations from you, and thank you very much for giving this much of support and giving this much of order, because we have very great vision and very big vision and micro hub, and we are going to deliver the product as per your requirement and as per the decided deliverables. You can just give us a call. We'll get back to you for your requirements also. Thank you guys for watching us. Please like, share and subscribe our channel also. Thank you.